Hello everyone, good evening. Today I'm here to show you our clay pots because earthenware is very good for the health. So nowadays we all are using metal utensils like stainless steel or aluminium, or maybe it is a pressure cooker, or maybe for boiling milk or for cooking rice or curries, whatever it is. We are used to the metal metal utensils. So basically today I want to show you we should just to motivate you all that we should not be using metal things, but instead it is good to use earthenware or the clay pot made from clay pot. So here I have some collection what we have been using it from almost 3 to 4 years. So and we are trying our best to use most of it, but sometimes if we have a larger one, I'll show you the collection first. Okay, so see, this is a hot pot, you can see, for keeping the rotis, that is chapati or roti. So you can use this as or you can even keep the rice as well. So this is basically we use for keeping the rotis, that is chapati, and this is for the curd. We use it for the curd. So you can see we have been using it. You can see how it is, the color, so this is for the dahi, that is yogurt, and this is for the curries. Like we have separately for veg and non-veg. So we usually cook the vegetables in this. So this is now you can see the size, how it looks. So this is a normal size. So you can see it. You can easily cook half kg of vegetables and half kg of dal in this. So this is the one. So we have been using this almost from 3 years. So we have to wash all this a clay pot vessels with hot water. So we have a lid also for this. Then this is, in this also we make somewhere less amount of curries in this. We make sometimes dal, or we make sambar also in this sometimes. So this is the one. So this is the lid for this. And so you can see, I want to show you that we have cooked rice in this today. You can see this, the lid, and there is rice in this. It's very hot, it would be hot for at least 1 hour. So you can see the size and design of this. It looks so nice, so trendy as well. And this is the rice. So you can see how it looks, and this is the lid. So, and this is the kadai. So you can see this is nice and smooth kadai. I just got this last year. I made some sweets in this, like I made badam ki kheer, that is almond kheer, sweet in this. So for about 3 to 4 times we have made this. And there is also a big one. This is a big vessel. This we make biryani. Like this is enough for us, for our family. So we do make it. You can see that we have been using it. You can see this size of it. So this is the one. So, and then this is the one. This is for the curries. We make non-veg in this. So we cook chicken and mutton in this dish. So you can see this, guys, and we use only wooden spoon. This is the spatula. This is for rice. This is a rice spatula, and we can use all the wooden spoons in this. I don't prefer using steel because we are using only the sustainable products. So this is good, and they are even if you see the price wise, economically as well, they are really good and cheaper. But if you want to like, these things are quite costly, but these all the things are quite normal, affordable price. So I wish and I hope everybody would use this, start using all these kinds of products after watching this video, because these are very beneficial for the health, because these clay pots have pores onto the surface of this vessels. So the the air, it easily goes inside it goes in and out. So it's very good for the for the health, because for the whatever we are cooking in this, the air tries to pass on and go move in and out, so due to which we get more minerals to the cooking food. So it doesn't, and even it doesn't contaminate, or it doesn't have any kind of chemicals or harmful metal. So it is very healthy for our body, for the human bodies. So I prefer using this. So I hope this, guys, I just want to motivate you all, and cooking or in all these utensils, or like in this cookware, or try using these dishes, clay pots, and keep your health good condition. Why? Because nowadays we are seeing that everywhere one or the other diseases are being increasing and in number, and we can't say or we can't predict in future what diseases might attack us. So it's better if we stick to the earthenware products and the sustainable products, which is good for the environment and good for the human bodies as well. So stay fit and stay healthy, guys, and start cooking in this earthen clay pot. See, you can see the rice, how nicely it is cooked. It just cooks same as in the steel or the non-stick. It's same as it is, and also it acts as non-stick. So what you need to do is you just before cooking this, when you get the new one, you need to soak it in the water for about 2 days, and you need to wash it after every day. You have to keep on changing the water. So just soak them in the bucket and for 2 days, and keep on changing the water for every day. That is for 2 days. If you want, even you can soak it for 3 days as well. So after that you can start using it. And before if you want it to be like non-stick, so you can apply oil before cooking and soak it for about half an hour. And not every time, it's only the single time. The first time you are using, you need to apply the oil onto the inside the vessel. Now the dish, you have to apply the oil nicely, and then you have to let the pot absorb the oil, and then you can start cooking it. And the precautions what you should take for washing is you have to wash these vessels or pots, clay pots, with hot water or warm water, and use the same normal liquid detergent or soap, whatever you have. Just with the help of a scrub or steel scrub, you can easily wash it away like the other ones. But now while keeping on the shelf or in the wardrobes, make sure that they are kept very safely, so that sometimes we try to it might get fall. So make sure you keep it safely and and nicely. So I hope this video is useful for you all, guys, so that you can keep your health well and sound condition. So thank you for watching my videos, guys. Happy cooking once again. Bye bye.